Cruising down a gravel road at 30 miles an hour, super easy. But once you start doing tight turns at like 2 to 5 miles an hour, it starts to get real tricky, especially if you're new to riding off-road on a dirt bike. That's why in this video, I want to show you a simple trail riding technique that will help you prevent falling or sliding out when doing tight turns. Now, one really common mistake that I see beginners doing when they're turning is that they're leaning with the bike, and that causes you to fall over, have to put a foot down because your center of gravity is just too far over to hold the bike up. It's not like riding a street bike when you're going 30, 40, 50 miles an hour where you can just lean with the bike and you'll stay upright because the force is pushing into the tires. You don't have that extra force. So what you need to do is you need to lean the bike but keep your body upright like this. So instead of leaning with the bike like this, it makes you feel really nervous. You need to lean the bike and keep your body upright like this. Notice how I'm keeping my head in the same spot, but the bike is leaning underneath me, and that allows me to turn really tight without falling over or sliding out. This is simply a counterbalance technique, and it's gonna feel like you're almost leaning, well, got stuck on a gopher mound there, and it's gonna feel like you're almost leaning away from the bike like that. But if you watch yourself on video, you'll just notice that you're just gonna be sitting upright when the bike is gonna be leaning. If you're making a left turn, you lean the bike left, turn the handlebars left, but then you lean away from the bike to the right. And if you want to turn right, lean the bike right and lean your body to the left. Ow! And that's what happens when I try and multitask. Yeah, I'm making excuses. Oh, I guess I put it in neutral. It's so important to learn this skill of turning at slow speed with control, because if you're just trying to ride faster, ride corners faster without knowing how to control the bike underneath you, you're not going to have the skill or the confidence to stay in control when the bike starts to get sideways or it wants to fall or slide out from underneath you. And that's why I teach casual trail riders like you through my virtual dirt biker school with personalized coaching how to master the basics at slow speeds. And as you build your confidence and your comfort, the speed will come. And if you want to learn how to do that without taking years to build your confidence, you should check out this video right here, I think, or here, I don't know what it is. Click the video. I'm Kelly Fager from MXHideout. Ride safe, have fun.